Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply buy the PEPE coin on your Coinbase wallet. And our first step is, after opening up your Coinbase wallet, make sure you possess some sort of a cryptocurrency. And when I mean cryptocurrency, I mean as the Ethereum token, which is where the PEPE coin is founded upon, which is where it gets its roots from. Make sure you possess some Ethereum for transaction and to also pay the gas fee. Once you do possess Ethereum, you simply head over to the browser, which is at the bottom of the screen here. You simply click on browser and scroll down to where you have the top D apps, and then you simply scroll down till you find Uniswap, or you select the swap menu and it shows 1inch, Uniswap, Paraswap, Odos, and QuickSwap. You click on Uniswap, give it some time to load in the Uniswap interface. Make sure you're on the Ethereum network by clicking on the Ethereum icon at the top of the search bar. Once you've done that, you're simply going to click on select token, where you simply search for the PEPE token. But if it doesn't show up, you minimize. Open up your browser application. The website of interest is coinmarketcap.com, and we're looking at the PEPE token right about now. We copy its Ethereum contract address, minimize, head back to the Coinbase Wallet app, paste this wallet address here. Once it's pasted, you click on the PEPE and you click on I understand, and you input the amount of Ethereum you're willing to trade in exchange for this PEPE token. So you simply click on swap, and once you've clicked on swap, you'll be taken to the confirm swap X menu, where you simply click on confirm swap, waiting for confirmation. This is our balance, and it's going to cost us an extra 0.041 Ethereum, which I do not possess. So if you do possess that, you could make this transaction work. So guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can buy the PEPE coin on your Coinbase wallet, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.